Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey and today we are doing a super exciting first impressions video of Beautybio's Glofacial tool. Let's see if she works. Step 1, wash your face and hands. Step 2, decide which treatment tip is best suited for you and press it firmly onto the tool with the tab facing up. Step 3, remove the treatment chamber and fill with concentrate to the line. Fill with water to the next line. Gently snap the treatment chamber back into place. Step 4, turn on the tool by pressing and holding the power button. There are 3 suction modes. Press once for low suction, twice for medium suction, and 3 times for high suction. Do a test spot on your clean palm to gauge level of suction and to mix the treatment chamber. Step 5, make sure to hold your skin taut and slide the Glofacial tool in upwards motions on damp skin until you have used up all the liquid in the treatment chamber. Salicylic acid is the key clarifying ingredient that penetrates each pore and chemically exfoliates to remove buildup and smooth skin by whisking away dead skin cells. Niacinamide helps to calm inflammation, reduce sebum production, and minimize the appearance of pores. This is actually really relaxing. Okay, my skin feels really clean right now. I'm gonna switch to the smaller tip. I'm switching back to the bigger tip right now. I had a big blackhead right here and it really vacuum suctioned that puppy out. So that's really good. I do have a few more I want to see if I can get. I always get so much buildup on this side of my face. Maybe I sleep on that side a lot more, I don't know, but I really want you guys to see, like, look at that. She's bleeding a little bit, sorry, trigger warning, but you know, that comes with the territory. I want to say in the middle of this, I feel super comfortable with the 3rd level of suction. I thought that maybe it was going to be too strong, but it feels fine and comfortable even. Obviously, there is no pain. I definitely see some of my blackheads have been sucked the heck out of there. I'm still working on the side of my face. There are a lot of blackheads, so let's keep going. This really feels like I am deep cleaning my pores. I used to work at a dermatology clinic and I didn't perform these services, but one of the gals, she did perform all these kind of services and I would get them, and this feels like that, but at home. You guys, like, do you see this? It's really taking all of these puppies out. These blackheads here that were all right here are gonzo. There's like one left I need to get, but look at them. Let's let this side of my face calm down a bit and proceed to this side of my face. I don't have much going on in my forehead, but it's still gonna get around up here. Oh my God, you guys, look, it really got all those out just now. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look. This one is actually like a pimple and not a blackhead. I don't think I'm supposed to go over pimples with this guy, so that's my bad. But the little ones, they all got sucked out. This is so exciting. I'm gonna do like right above my lip. I'm drooling. Oh my God, do you guys ever get those little tiny, you can see all the pores around the top of your lip? It just got all of mine out. This has never in my life been so smooth. Look at that. It feels so smooth, you guys. Wait, why is this so incredible? Okay, I'm switching the tip back to the small one so I can get my nose a little bit before the concentrate runs out. The concentrate is lasting a really long time, I gotta say. I was expecting the concentrate to run out really fast and have to go really fast with this, but it really lasted a long time. Like, it's not even out yet. I'm gonna do one more run on my nose. This is not gonna be cute, okay? Oh my gosh, okay. This totally came out of my nose. Like, that's a hole. There are holes all over my face. When I say holes, I mean clean pores. There's one on the tip of my nose. There's one here. There's a bunch over here. They're just now starting to heal a little bit. Clean pores. I can't believe I'm still not out of the solution. I'm like trying to think of places I could use it some more. Now she's out. Oh my God, you guys, wait, look at this. Those are all blackheads. My first impression of the Beautybio Glofacial tool is that I'm actually very impressed. I think the machine feels very high quality. It's super user friendly. The process was overall very easy, satisfying, relaxing. I feel like my skin feels really, really smooth right now and clean. It feels so deeply cleaned. I feel like I was literally taking a vacuum and like sucking everything out of my skin. So it feels really good in that sense. I do think there are a couple of stragglers that I wasn't able to get out with the machine. However, that is exactly what happens when you get this service done professionally. Your esthetician will use the professional suction tool to remove the blackheads, but then she'll have to go in afterwards and manually remove some of them because they're just so stubborn. If you are interested in purchasing the Beautybio Glofacial tool for yourself, you can find it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.